Imagine being part of a career where you're helping shape the future of medicine, working on life-saving trials, advancing groundbreaking research, and changing lives every single day. A career full of growth and opportunity and a healthy work-life balance.
Hello, my name is David Silberman. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Clinical Research Fastrack. We're an organization that is training the clinical research professionals who are working on treatments to cure heart disease, cancer, diabetes, rare disease, so many different therapeutic areas we are working in. This is where science meets healthcare, and this is where we are developing these treatments to help improve the quality of life and help us live longer, happier lives with our families.
It all starts with a question: what's next for me? Whether you're someone with a passion for healthcare, a nurse, or a lab technician, the possibilities in clinical research are endless, and they start with one call. Our advisors are here to listen to your story, answer your questions, and guide you toward a brighter future full of success, innovation, and growth, all while earning higher salaries. Let me introduce you to some of the amazing people on our team.
Hi, my name is Janelle Rodriguez, and I'm the Director of Education here at Clinical Research Fastrack. While you're in the classroom, you are going to be meeting amazing instructors that are going to help you learn real-based scenarios, as well as doing a lot of fun activities. Once you complete our program, you will also have 2 amazing certificates to put on your resume. Your first one is your ICH GCP certificate, which you'll need in order to work in the industry. And the second is your certificate of completion, which will show the 164 hours of dedication and hard work. We look forward to meeting you.
My name is Courtney Herman, and I am the Outreach and Engagement Specialist here at Clinical Research Fastrack. In my role, I have the privilege of working with our students one-on-one in the classroom, as well as collaborating with our partners in order to connect these talented individuals with their dream jobs. I'm passionate about helping our students on their journeys and empowering them every step of the way, and watching them thrive as they enter this exciting industry of clinical research.
My name is Julia Marin, and I'm Head of Career Services here at Clinical Research Fastrack. I help our students bridge the gap between their training and landing their first role in clinical research. Everything from resumes, cover letters, interview prep, networking. We are here to support you in making that transition. Entering into a new career can feel overwhelming, but with the right team behind you, the tools and the resources, we can help you make that dream a reality. I look forward to seeing you in the classroom.
With flexible enrollment options, scholarships, and financing plans, we make it easier for you to invest in your future. Our 8-day immersive course is led by experienced professionals in the industry. Our program goes beyond the classroom. With one-on-one mentorship, career coaching, and industry connections, we're dedicated to getting you hired. As the nation's leading clinical research trainer, hundreds of our graduates enter the industry every year. Don't just hear it from me. Our students' voices say it all.
I ran across a Clinical Research Fastrack program, and I felt that it would be a wonderful, invaluable experience with everything that is being offered with the program. And I took that leap of faith, and I am so thankful that I did.
I got a couple of trainings here and there, but nothing helped me get a job in the field. I stumbled upon the Clinical Research Fastrack. I'm like, okay, this is seriously going to help me, so I didn't want to miss the chance.
I was hired at Columbia University's Cancer Center. When I was talking to the recruiter who became my manager, he really seemed impressed by the Clinical Research Fastrack part on my resume. It was the only clinical research experience that I had at the time, but I was able to talk through everything in the interview that landed me the job.
Unfortunately, the process of medical school and everything, there's a lot of curves and bumps, and I felt like I was losing myself, losing my confidence, losing my purpose. And there were multiple times during this course where I had chills, hearing from other mentors who had the same experience, and I wasn't alone. And I feel like this sparked passion. I finally feel strong, and I feel more confident.
This is more than a program. It's your pathway to a fulfilling career in a thriving industry full of growth, innovation, and advancing medicine. The world of clinical research is waiting for bright, driven professionals like you. Take the leap, make the call. Your career in clinical research starts today.